Hey, all my cruising friends, this is Donovan from Cruise Craze TV. Thanks for joining us. We're here in the beautiful, beautiful, colorful island of Curacao. Stick around for just a little bit. We're gonna take you on a tour of a lot of the shopping that's right here off the cruise terminal, as well as downtown area. We're gonna cross a floating bridge. We're gonna get something to eat. Just stick around, you're gonna see a lot of the city, the beautiful, beautiful city of Curacao. So hold on for a second. Right now would be a great time for you to like us and follow us so you can continue seeing videos from all around the world. Hold on just one second. Such an incredible shopping area here in Curacao. There are shops everywhere, literally. I mean, just shop after shop after shop. Here's something called Riff Fort. Riff Fort has, it's a mall, and then let's see, Fort. Some old cannons here. Get into the history of this. There are quite a number of shops here. Isn't this cool? Everywhere, restaurants, gondola, Italian fusion restaurant. Look at this. This outdoor dining, breakfast and lunch place. It's a steaks and ribs restaurant. And this area is known for pancakes. And so there's a pancake shop. I would say for us, we opted not to do a tour, but instead just to walk and shop. And if you enjoy shopping and there's some things you want to look for, this is the stop to do that. This here at Curacao, a lot more so than at Aruba or some of those other places. I Heart Curacao, is that what it's called? Go in here. And this is just an example of one of the shops in here. Again, we've been in this Aruba area and all that, and there's nothing like this. These are nice and cool and clean and large shops. You can see some of the prices here. Some bags. Oh, those are cute little dolls. That's cool. To see this, but their shops, it's multi-level with shops everywhere. Kind of shopper's paradise right here. I do love that they have here in this, inside of this fort kind of area, they have all this outdoor restaurants and live music. Music's not playing right now, which is good for us because you can hear us talking. But there is a whole section here of live music. What a great vibe here. So you can get right off of the cruise ship if you're on a ship. Just come walk right to here. Shop for as long as you want. Listen to the music, eat dinner, whatever you want to do. I do know that as we were walking through here, at the very first part, there are all kinds of folks stopping you to ask if you want to go to, be taken to a beach, you want to go on a tour. For those who may not want to just shop, there are other options as well. Another thing that you hear about here in Curacao is the floating bridge. You might have heard of that, you might want to go and look that up. This is it right here, floating bridge. It is a bridge that goes across this water. Can you see it? We're getting ready to walk across it here in a second and I'll show you. but it is on little buoys. It's just floating right there. It goes over to the downtown area that we're going to go and explore a little bit. And it's just beautiful. Be sure not to swim, not to fish here. So here we go. Are you ready? Oh. Oh, it's uphill. I wasn't quite expecting that. I guess it's bowed, right? Here we go. Look at that. This is lit up at night. Look at this. Pretty amazing, huh? Look, the colors, beauty of it all. Little buoys that we're on. Look at this. You've got to do this, y'all. Look at that. We're gonna go walk around a little bit down here, downtown. Downtown area is beautiful too. Colorful. Oh, here we go. This is our kind of shop right here. This is my kind of shop right here. Again, you may have already seen enough of these kind of shops, but they're really all over the place. So wherever you want to find, you'll be able to find these shops. All right, we ran across a great photo op here. We're getting ready to do. Look at this. Right here in Mill Street. I don't see a street name, but right in the square here. All right, we're here with our friends. We decided to stop in at the Plan Cafe Villamina. They have all kinds of desserts and appetizers and drinks and alcoholic drinks, coffees. I think I'm gonna get a, what am I gonna get? A brownie with ice cream. Nice seating area out here in this square, outdoors. It's a little toasty out here, I'll just say. Are you sweaty? All right, man, you go up and down all these alleys, and there are shops everywhere. I keep saying that, but you can't understand all of the shopping opportunities that there are. I did want to say that we ate at that little restaurant, that little Dutch restaurant. It was really great. The food was good. We had some brownies with ice cream, and they have all kinds of coffees. Felt a little hot for me for coffees. I had a Sprite, but they have, if you drink, there's all kinds of alcoholic drinks and all kinds of coffees, all kinds of just about everything you want. And it was good. The only thing I would say is the service was really, really terrible. It was very slow. If you're in a hurry, you do not want to go there if you're in a hurry. But anyway, it was a great experience. We're gonna finish up shopping here a little bit, and then we will wrap things up. We got an opportunity to watch some boats go through here. They moved the entire suspended floating bridge so that they can get through, and now they are moving it back. Look at that. They're pushing it back way over to here afterwards, so we can't get back over the water until they put the bridge back for us all the way over to here. You can see our ship in the background there. Here it goes. Still going, still going. And going, and going. Oh, all right. Gonna line it up just right here. And then it's all connected. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? They do that every time one of these freighters or other boats has to come through here. Thanks so much for joining us here on Cruise Craze TV as we explored beautiful, beautiful tropical Curacao. Man, wasn't it gorgeous out here? There's so much to look at, so much to see and experience. Lots of walking, lots of heat, and plenty of shopping to do, places to eat. and drink, and just a lot here in this beautiful beautiful landscape. So be sure to like us and follow us here at Cruise Craze TV so we can take you on tours all around the world as we go. Until next time, we want to say bon voyage from Cruise Craze TV.